As a business owner, make sure you have all the right system in place is key. How can your business operate or hope to survive without them? Along with accounting system, HR system and other marketing is now recognized as an essential component for a business key system. It's taken a good number of years, but marketing is more important to get right than ever. The positive benefits of marketing will be evident as you build your brand, raise your visibility among diverse audience, and gain a competitive edge over the competition. Without a doubt, every business should understand the benefits of marketing and the types of marketing strategies that will help gain your sole customer base. Here I am discuss the 6 benefits of having a marketing strategy. Growing yourself. When you employ good marketing tactics, you will make more sales. In fact, it's not about attracting new customers either. Well, the common misconception is that marketing is all about targeting new customers. A well designed marketing strategy will also encourage more sales from your existing and past customers. That's only good news when it comes to planning your business future. The core benefit of marketing strategy understanding are that it make you more memorable, easier to find when customers need what you sell, and more visible when people want to know more about what you do. The benefit of marketing are many, but when it comes to increasing sales, marketing is the tool in your business management toolkit that you should never without. Number second, choosing and managing your reputation. Having a positive reputation is this super connected world is providing to critical different. Your business reputation is very important as you market online and through advertising. Being transparent, engaging with customer and using smart tactics will enhance your reputation positively. Building your brand reputation is one of the marketing benefits that smaller business either overlook or dismiss. Today, customer will often thoroughly research every product and service they want to buy, so reputation matters more than ever. Not only that, but there's whole marketing type known as a reputation marketing, using the positive reputation of your business to promote it. But business use positive reputation brand content and a monitoring strategy to ensure they maintain their reputation. But when it comes to developing brand value, the right marketing strategies are extremely effective even for smaller business. It's tricky subject to get right, but if you are aiming to strengthen your reputation, it's hard to beat the marketing benefits of highlighting and using the positive reputation as a marketing assets. When used correctly, your reputation will mean higher levels to trust from your target audience, attracting better talent to your team and more profit. Audience marketing benefits. Good marketing help you gain data and metrics to learn more about your target audience so you can be more targeted in your strategy and advertising. A targeted marketing strategy based on data about your customers is one of the best way to develop multiplier revenue system from segment audience. Once you have a sole understanding of your audience, you can target them to match their specific needs and pain points. You start by breaking your target audience into well defined segments. Once you know what each of those segments is looking for, You will be able to send marketing message that will be more likely to resonate. Your audience will be more responsive because you are finding and presenting marketing message that targets their precious requirement. This kind of marketing benefit you and your customers alike. You want trust. Great marketing strategies help to build trust, which is like gold. Trust will keep your customer invested in your products, service, and brands. Without trust signals, your business will be less likely to make sales. You can use a great marketing strategy that gets people to your website, but if they are something that makes me feel unnecessary about trusting you, they will leave your site and look elsewhere. Trust is essential when it's come to business. With a marketing approach to trust that utilizes all of the results, customers can have confidence in you. Your business reinforced through trust signal. It's like perpetual motion machine that feeds itself while generating what it needs. Put simply, when you are looking the benefits of marketing strategy, growing your trust indicator is one of the most useful. Number 5, knowing what's work. Effective marketing strategies help you determine what works and what does not. When you have series of campaign, the metrics can help you assess with to do, when to do it, and what to stay away from. One of the assets marketing strategies to use the showcase this is email marketing. While social media took the wind out of email marketing sales for a while, it's now considered one of the best tools of effective marketing. Partly that's because it's straightforward to conduct A and B testing on marketing emails. By segmenting your email output and using slightly different content for each audience, you can see and works and what does not. So if your email open rates are low when you are using subject line special offer this week, but they are higher when the subject line is guide to our best weekly. Learning the marketplace. A core outcome of the marketing process is that you will learn more about the marketplace in which you are operating. It is essential to not only know the customer but understand your marketplace as well. Of course, having different brand presence is more important that even so that you can position your products and price them to attract maximum value of the marketplace. However, as with everything when running business, the more you know, the easier it is to identify opportunities for small business, especially knowing everything about your marketplace is essential. The mess knowing more, the similarly how you target market is. It means knowing your local, national, and international competitors.